Let's switch. Let's be crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're gonna add another step on to the American Rumba. This one's called the Side Basic. Let's go ahead and jump right in.
Leader's foot directions. So I'm going to do half a box first in order to get into the side basic. I go forward left foot, side right foot, closing left foot to right foot. Here I get to take the extra side step now to start the side basic. I close my left foot, replace my right foot. Side step left foot, close right foot to left foot, close one more time, and then side right foot, close left foot to right foot, close and replace the weight one more time so my left foot is now free to go back to the beginning again. So I went forward, side, together, side, together, together, side, together, together, side, together, together. My rhythm's gonna be slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick.
All right, followers foot directions. Starting off, we go back on the right foot, side, close together. We're gonna take an extra side step on the left. Now we're gonna close our feet twice, going right, left. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Side, left, right. One more time. Side, right, left. And then from there, you could go back into a box or repeat the pattern over again. So we go back, side, together, side, together, together, side, together, together, side, together, together. All right, let's do some rhythm. We go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We're gonna go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. We're gonna go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Key points here, leading and following this pattern. We do half a box together first, so I can take an extra side step instead of going back like I would normally do in a box. Side step, we both close together at the same time here. Side step, closing the second time, side step, closing the third time, and now my left and her right foot is free to then go back to a box if I would like to start from the beginning again. A lot of patterns are going to come from this side basics. This is a great way to work on the transition in and out of a box, and then we'll have more advanced things like offset breaks and crossovers and fifth position breaks, but all going to come from this side basic here, right? So again, we're going to go slow together, quick, quick, extra side step to my right, together, together, slow here, together, together to the side, and again, now I can transition back to a box if I would like to go continue from the basic again.
In terms of the follower, there's nothing too crazy about this pattern besides introducing a new transition and kind of how we'll add on other steps in the future. But one thing about leading and following this is the way the leader can lead me into the extra side step, because she'll be expecting to go forwards on that step instead of to the side. So the way the leader is going to do that is stay connected through their frame and their spine, and if you were to get more advanced later, it'd be through the rib cage, but for now we're just going to talk about the spine. So as he goes, he's going to take me with him as he very confidently goes to the side, not allowing me to go forward. Now, if I'm not listening, I might do that in the beginning. However, we suggest watching the dance position videos and stuff like that, maybe some connection stuff to make sure you're holding your proper frame. That way you can actually follow and lead correctly through the body instead of pushing and pulling each other around. So again, I'm just going to follow my partner's spine on that final step. And what he did just there was he kind of paused. So as a partnership, that can be a good exercise to do maybe. That means I'm truly following and waiting for him to give me the direction instead of assuming the pattern and maybe just leading myself through, which can often happen. This, of course, is without the music. Once the music's on, it's our job to keep the rhythm no matter what, but it is the leader's job to lead us before we change our weight if it's on the correct time.
If you wanted to really level up the quality of your dancing, this is an amazing pattern to work through and drill some different things like foot positions, leg action, weight, and whatnot, that Lindsay and I together here can go to the side and we can go work on some of these things like the turnout that we have, our legs straightening and bending, finishing side steps. So all of these things, if you're looking to level up the dancing and work on a lot of these techniques that we talk about, what a great position or figure to work on some of these things, where a box isn't always the easiest thing to work on technical things.
That's about that for this video. Please go check out the rest of our content here on our channel and up on our website, ballroom.com. We have many more videos on top of this one, including technique that you don't see on here. So go check that out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.